In this guide, we'll see how to see how many times an Instagram post has been saved. If you want to know how many times your Instagram post has been saved, you'll need to switch to your personal account and change it to a creator or business account. Launch the Instagram app on your mobile device and tap on the profile image in the bottom right corner to open your profile. Tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner, then select Settings. In the Settings menu, tap Account, scroll down and select Switch to Professional Account, and follow the prompts and choose Creator. To view the post save count, tap your profile image to open your profile, and choose the post you want to view the save count for. Next, tap on View Insights below the post. In the Insights overlay, look for the bookmark icon. The number next to this icon indicates how many times your post has been saved. As simple as that. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more.